Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr distance not showing. So to fix Grindr distance not showing, so on your iPhone, what you can do is go to your iPhone settings and search for privacy and security. Now tap on location services. Once you tap on location services, scroll down to Grindr. Now enable your precise location. The next what you can do is force close the app. Like when you open a Grindr, now swipe it up and then swipe it up again to close it completely from your multitasking screen. The next thing what you can do is update your Grindr application via your App Store. Just go to your App Store and then search for Grindr. Open Grindr, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Grindr. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.